Assalamu alaikum. My English book 4, Standard 4th, Subject English, Unit 2, 2.8, A Team of Workers, on page number 25. After 3 hours later, Bailey said, "Please get some food. I'm all ready to start my work." Others, "No means no. We are all going to relax just like you." Bailey said, "Please listen to me. You must give me food. I digest it for all of us." Others, "Sorry, don't try to deceive. Nothing you will receive." 2 days later, Bailey said, "How are you, my friends?" Mouth said, "Oh, I feel so dry." Hands and feet said, "We feel so weak." Eyes said, "We can't see properly." Ears and nose said, "We feel so tired." All said, "What's the matter? What's wrong with all of us?" Enter Brain. Brain said, "You silly fellows! Now you have no energy. What gives you energy? Food. Who works on food to give you energy? Think." All said, "Could it be? Is it the belly?" Brain said, "Yes, of course. Belly digests food and sends energy to all of you. Do you understand it now?" All said, "Yes, yes, now we know. This belly does a lot of work, though he does not show it off. He does important work." All hold hands and sing together. Work, work, work. In the morning, in the evening, we are always at work. Thank you so much for watching.